So hey guys, want to share something with you that I just discovered that can save you guys some money. Okay, now you know I always had Hondas. I will tell you a lot of things are cheaper with Honda compared to Acura. I mean, not necessarily just the gas, like these things take premium or recommend premium, but also the maintenance on it. I want to share that with you guys. Say your typical oil change, okay? Now, I don't know if you guys know, but Honda will do Acura oil changes and work on Acuras. So check these coupons out. Same time, so you see the Honda one, $89.95 for oil change and tire rotation. The one on the left, same thing. Oil change, tire rotation. The inspections, all that, $129. So you're talking $40 difference, same service. So if you read the bottom here, the disclaimer on here's the one on the right on the Honda. See, it says valid only on Acura and Honda vehicles. So you can make an appointment at a Honda dealer, take your Acura there, use that coupon, and do the oil change, tire rotation, save yourself $40. Basic things like that I would highly recommend doing. It's the same oil they put in them, same oil filter, basic same design. It's the 2.0 engine, same thing the Accord has. So you're gonna have the same thing. You're gonna have the drain plug the same area where you mount the oil filters. It'll be the same. You know, unless you really want to go to Acura dealer, maybe it's included in your when you bought the car, whatever it is. But if you guys want to save some money, you can go to any Honda dealer and use their coupons as well. That goes for a lot of things that they do there too. If you read a lot of their coupons, it'll say on Honda and Acura vehicles. So even other maintenance, tune-ups and everything, working on the all-wheel drive system, you can do there. They're kind of all the same. It is a parent company. So don't feel like you have to go to an Acura dealer for basic things like that. Like I called my local Acura dealer and they want $99 for an oil change, just for the oil change. That's it. Honda, you can get it for $60. So it just depends what you guys want. Like I said, it's all the same. Some people feel like you get better service at Acura, then by all means go there. But if you're just looking for the basic thing, you want to save some money, get the same warranted work done, I would take it to a Honda dealer. You'll get the same thing. So I wanted to share it with you guys. If you didn't know, you can do that. This is no big deal. Even says it on their coupons. They know people are going to do that as well. So maybe they'll save you some money. I know I'm going to do it. You know, why spend $50 more if you don't need to for the same exact thing? And it's all warranted. It's in their computer. So again, I want to share it with you guys. Hope it helps you out. I'll catch you in the next one.